Hi, my name is Thomas Kim. This session continues from my previous video, Undoable or Restorable Sort. In this session, we will learn how to find some strings in the string table fast. Please download the source code from this video. Then in download folder, please unzip it. And copy the solution to your working folder. Then open it in Visual Studio 2015. To understand and follow this session, you have to watch my previous video. You have to watch this video to understand this session. When solution is loaded, press Ctrl F5 to build and run. This is the program we developed, we coded in our previous session. Before sort, Alice, James, Sophie, Betty, Charlie. This is a list of strings. Then after sort, Alice, Betty, Charlie, James, Sophie. Then after undo, then we restore back to Alice, James, Sophie, Betty, Charlie this way. This is the state of our previous video. Now we will add one new project. Then I will name it Fast Search or Fast Find, Fast Search. Cancel application, click Finish. Now click Fast Search in Solution Explorer like this, right click, make it a starter project. Then from here, previous source code, Ctrl A, select all, then Ctrl C, copy all. Then paste it here, like this, save. Then right click, close all but this. Then we are open. We have Fast Search CPP file is open. So I will explain in previous video. We make two vectors. One is indices vector. Another is name. So names are Alice, James, Sophie, Betty, Charlie is initialized to our names vector, and corresponding indices 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 is initialized. Then we sort. This is before we sort, we display. Then we do sorting like this. Then after sort, we display the result. Then we undo the sorting. Then we display the back like this. So I will remove after undo this part of code like this. Now we want to find binary search. Binary search is an algorithm that tests whether a specific element is in the container. So it tests whether some specific string belongs to the container. I will split the screen like this. So currently we have Alice, James, Sophie, Betty, Charlie. So from this string, it should be sorted first. To use binary search, to use binary search algorithm, the container or array should be sorted first. Okay, now we are trying to find from this array we want to check, for example, Betty is in this array, in this vector. If Betty is in this vector, we want to test that. Then indices, we make size t. Size t is index this. Then we say search index. So indices size, it gives the size of the indices. Then we will put indices pushback. We put another number. We put this search indices like this. We put search indices. Then in the names pushback, we want to search Betty. We want to know if Betty belongs to this names in this vector. Then we do like this: auto, RLT, std, binary, search. Then we are giving the indices. Indices begin. Then the range end. Indices end. Okay. Then we have to minus 1 like this, because the last element is Betty. We have to shrink one indices like this. Then we provide search indices. This is the index we are going to find. Then we need to provide binary predicates names. This should be binary predicates, size t, idx1, size t, idx2, like this. Then here we are providing binary predicates using lambda function. Then it's simple: return names, then idx1 names, idx2. Okay, then if found, here at this point we can now remove the two from the indices. We can pop up indices, pop back. Okay, we push it here, so we are removing one element. Also names, pop back. We remove two indices. From one index we remove the last element from here, also the last element from here. Because we pushed here, we are now removing the last element. Then if RLT is true, it is Boolean value. If this string Betty belongs to this how can I say, this vector, then its value is true. Instead of doing this, I would say std string search text. I would say Betty. So it should be search text. Search text. I will change our code like this. So then here you can say std cout search cout, then search text is in names. Else std cout search text is not in names. Now let's run it. It is cout. Okay, Betty is in names. Okay, so we found. Now we can try with some other names. For example, if we put another name, for example James, if we run it, James is in names. James is here. Now we try with another name, for example Stephen, Steven. If we run it, Stephen is not in name. Stephen is not in name. Okay, so binary search is very fast, is a logarithmic algorithm, and it is very fast search method. Binary search is logarithmic algorithm and is much faster than linear algorithm find. Please understand that to use binary search, we have to the content or array should be sorted first. Then we want to this binary search test whether some elements belongs to the container or not. But if we want to find the actual element, the index of the element, then we have to use another algorithm called lower bound or upper bound. Now I create another project, add a new project. I would say past search index, past search iterator. I would name just like this. Now I make it as startup project, right click, startup. Then from past search we copy all source code like this, Ctrl A, Ctrl C. Then here we will paste it like this. Then we will remove this part. Scroll down. Now we want to find this part is the same, but now we are going to use we want to find the index. Okay, index of the element. And this part is the same. Now we say auto RLT or IT, I would say ITR SCD lower bound like this. The same way indices begin and minus indices, and then this is search index. Please note that this is not search text, this is search index. Then we need to provide names like this, and size t idx, size t idx. This is idx1, index1, index2. Then here like this. Okay, now we are doing the same thing. This should be 2. Return names idx1, names idx2. Okay, then at this point we should not pop here. Instead we do like this: if ITR is not in the C's, and then we found std cout, we found I would do like this: we found such text from names, like this. And std cout, we can name like this. We can access names itr plus star element found, like this. Else std cout search text is not in names. Okay, then we can pop up in the C's, pop back names, pop back. Now let's run it. Control F5. It is pop back. Control F5. See, Stephen is not in name. Stephen is not in name. Okay. Then if we put Betty instead of Stephen, Sophia, for example, Sophie, run it. Then Sophie is, we found Sophie from names, element found Sophie, okay. Then what about if we say Charles here? I will put Charles, alias Charles, like this. I made some mistake here. Now let's try it. So we found Charles from name. Actually, this is Charlie, not Charles. Okay, from found James. Charles. It means Charles is before James and after Charlie. Okay, Charles. It is Charles. I will say Charles. Charles. Okay, it means we found the Charles from names. Element found Charlie. Charles is, sorry, we have to make some changes to our code like this. We will change this part. If search car search text is same names itr, then we can say we found search text. Else std cout search text can be inserted before names ITR. We can change our algorithm like this. Is out of names range. Now let's run it. So it means Charles can be inserted before Charlie. Charles can be inserted before Charlie. Then it makes a sorted array. Okay. So if we put Steve, let's put Steve, STEVE, Stephen. Let's run it. Stephen is out of names range. So Stephen should come here. So it is out of range. I hope you understand this algorithm. This way we can search, find index or search names in the array very fast. In fact, using this algorithm, we can find a name, index of the name, or whether the name belongs to this vector. We can search very fast. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and you can download complete source code in the download link in the description section below. Thank you for watching.